I am Dr. C.L. Venkatrao. There are 10 millets available. Out of 10, people start asking what is the best millet. It is ideal and desirable to use a combination of all the millets. Keep taking each and every millet. Now in the market, multi-grain millet flour is available. We can make rotis out of it. But if you ask me what is the best relatively out of the 10, ragi finger millet occupies the number one position. It has got unique features. It does contain lot of fiber, helps in digestion. Fiber helps in secretion of the gastric, intestinal, bile juice and pancreatic juices. Fiber facilitates the prevention of constipation. In addition to fiber, it contains so much of calcium. We are all under the impression that milk contains a maximum quantity of calcium. But it is not true. The ragi or the finger millet contains the maximum quantity of calcium. It may be even double that what we see or what we find in the milk. So, because of this calcium, the children, the bones will become strong. They grow in height. Their teeth will be healthy and the eruption of the teeth will be good. The dental hygiene will be good. In elderly people, the presence of calcium in the ragi prevents bone pains and joint pains. For pregnant women, the formation of the fetus inside the uterus will be good, and the health of the mother and the fetus inside the uterus, both of them will be good. For lactating mothers, for giving stomach full of milk to the kid, the ragi or the finger millet is extremely good. The finger millet contains thiamine, that is vitamin B1, and riboflavin, niacin. Riboflavin is called B2, niacin is called B3, and also contains folic acid. The presence of iron and folic acid in the ragi, it increases the hemoglobin, blood content will go up. Women lose periodically blood every month during the periods. So, the ragi provides adequate minerals, iron and folic acid. So, they will never get the problem of anemia. Anemia means if the hemoglobin contents comes down, that condition is called anemia. In addition, the ragi contains vitamin C and vitamin E. They act as immunity boosters. As a result, the bacteria, virus and fungus, they don't enter into the body. The presence of magnesium in the ragi helps for nerve strength, and it also helps for the better functioning of the brain, the concentration of the brain, the memory power of the brain, and also it prevents the anxiety, depression and stress. So out of all the available millets, the best remains the ragi or finger millet. This can be taken ragi flour, ragi roti, or in the form of ragi malt. Ragi powder, some of the people mix with water, some people they mix with milk, some of the people they cook the ragi and they make a ragi ball. Ragi can be taken along with vegetarian food, including non-vegetarian, mutton, chicken, egg, fish, prawns. The ragi roti, ragi ball, this goes very well with any of these vegetable and non-vegetarian items. For children also, giving them ragi malt facilitates physical growth and also their mental growth and intellectual caliber also will go up by virtue of the presence of the magnesium, which is a key element for stimulating the functioning of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. So, it is desirable to consume all the 10 millets, but amongst them, the king of millets, we can name it as finger millets or ragi.